very similar to what we just did, except instead of changing improper fractions to mixed numbers, we're changing them to a whole number. But it's the same process. What is 25/5? What does that mean? Everyone say it together. 25 divided by 5. What is 25 divided by 5? Callie? 5. 25/5 is equal to the whole number 5. Okay, number 2. 100, everyone say it with me. This means 100, thank you, Quentin, divided by 10. What is 100 divided by 10? Okay, let's not yell out, please. Raise your hand. What's 100 divided by 10? Jacob? 10. So 100 tenths is equal to 10. Okay, I want to hear you knowing what this means. 30 tenths is the same as what? 30 divided by 10. What is 30 divided by 10? 30 divided by 10 is what, Gage? 3. So 30 tenths is equal to 3. Now let's skip down to number 11. Now we're given the whole number and we need to make it a fraction. They give you a specific denominator. Stay with me, please. So write 9 as a fraction with a 7 in the denominator. Well, what divided by 7 equals 9? Or work backwards. 9 times 7 equals 63. So 63 sevenths is equal to 9. Yes, Callie? Okay, well, we're still practicing. Okay, so what is another fraction that I could use to show 9? Give me another fraction that's equal to 9. I should see lots of hands up. Another fraction equal to 9. Sophie? Huh? 18 over what? 18 divided by what equals 9? 2. 18 halves. 18 divided by 2 is 9. What is another fraction that equals 9? Kinsley? 81 over what? 9. Over 9. And the easiest one to write is what? Every time. Melanie? 9 over 1. 9 divided by 1 is 9. Okay, number 12. Write 5 as a fraction with a 6 in the denominator. Write 5 as a fraction with a 6 in the denominator. Okay, what goes on top? Hunter?
45.
30. 30. Everyone say it. 30 divided by 6 is 5. What is another fraction that could equal 5? Every hand should be up. Give me another fraction that equals 5. Another fraction that equals 5. I like the way I see you thinking about it and putting your hand up. Kirsten?
10 divided by 50.
Not divided by 50. 10 divided by what? Equals 5. Two. Yes, you were saying, I think, you meant to say 50 divided by 10. Right? So 50 tenths and 10 halves both equal 5. Give me another one. Benny?
1/5.
Not 1/5. The 5 has to go on top. And that was a common error on the test. 1/5 is not 5. But 5 divided by 1 is 5. It has to be an improper fraction, the big number on top. Okay, number 13. Write 5 as a fraction with a 5 in the denominator. What goes on top? What divided by 5 is 5? Ada. 25. 25 fifths. 25 divided by 5 is 5. Give me another one. Give me another one. Derek. 10 over 2. Okay, give me another one. The easiest one ever? Everyone say it. 5 over 1. Okay, look at number 15. Write 2 as a fraction with a 3 in the denominator. So what divided by 3 is 2? Every hand should be up. What divided by 3 is 2? Or 2 times 3 is, every hand should be up, 6. Give me another fraction that's equal to 2. Give me another fraction equal to 2. Gage,
6, 1, 6, 1.
equal to 2.
Oh.
We have 6 over 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. What else is equal to 2?
3, 1?
No. 2 over 1. The easiest one is always what you want it to equal over 1. Okay, what's another one? What if I had a 2 on the bottom? What would be on top? Aiden? 4. Okay, let's do one more, right? 6 as a fraction with a 3 in the denominator. So what divided by 3 is 6? Or 3 times 6 is 18. 18 thirds. Give me another fraction equal to 3. Give me another fraction equal to 3.
3, 1.
3 over 1. Give me another fraction equal to 3. What can I divide and get 3? Jacob. 9 thirds. Very good. Okay. Now, I feel that we have covered every type of question that's on the test to be a level 3. Except, we did forget one. Turn your paper over.
What?
Shh. Okay. Give me equivalent fractions with these denominators, 5, 10, and 30. What was my hint? I said always start with what? Addie, 1. Putting a 1 over the first one. Now, 1/5 is equal to how many tenths? Look at Hunter. He's ready to go. I love it. Allie's ready. Who else is ready? 1/5. Vinny's ready. Looking good. 1/5 is equal to how many tenths? Go ahead and tell me, please. Who hasn't talked yet today? Who's being quiet? Dawson. 1/5 is how many tenths? 2. 5 times 2 is 10. 1 times 2 is 2. Now, 2 tenths is how many 30ths? I love it, Jacob. I like that hand in the air. Looking good, Lexi. Looking good over there. All right, Jackson.
Times 3.
Times 3. 10 times 3 is 30. 2 times 3 is 6. There will be a question like that on the test. Okay? And the other thing, and you guys are really good at this, let's compare 5/6 to 7/9. Who can compare that? Who can compare that? 5/6 to 7/9. Who knows which one's bigger? Who knows? I'm waiting on more hands. Which one's bigger? Callie, which one's bigger?
5, 6, because it's closer on one whole.
Okay, that's not the biggest one though. We need to use our strategy. What's the strategy that we can use? Oh wait, I'm sorry, it is bigger. Okay, 9 times 5 is 45. 6 times 7 is 42. And I like what Callie said. How do I know it's bigger? Everyone say it. It's closer to one whole. How do I know it's bigger?
It's closer to one whole.
Can I say I used the butterfly strategy?
No.
Can I say I cross multiplied?
No.
So how do I know it's bigger?
It's closer to one whole.
Okay, I am going to now pass back your test.